While World Music Day is officially celebrated on 21st June, we are excited to kick off a celebration a bit earlier today. We celebrate the magic of music, a universal language which brings harmony, joy, and creativity to our lives. Let's immerse ourselves to its rhythm and melody. Now let's welcome our 5th A students who are ready to fill the air with their melodious voice. Thank you, 5A, for the wonderful performance.